Leo and the whispering grass. Leo, the antelope, loved the wide, open savanna. But there was one thing that made his ears twitch with worry: the tall, whispering grass. When the wind blew, it made strange rustling sounds that sounded like secrets he couldn't understand. "What is it saying, Mama?" he would ask, huddling close to his mother. One day, his mother led him to the edge of the tall grass. "Listen closely, my little one," she said softly. "It's not scary. It's just the song of the savanna." She showed him how the wind made the blades of grass dance and sway. And how the rustling was just the sound of them brushing against each other. Leo took a deep breath and stepped into the grass. It tickled his nose and whispered around him. But this time, it didn't sound scary. It sounded like a gentle song, a lullaby of the wind. He learned that sometimes the things that seem frightening are just things we don't understand yet. And that by listening closely, we can find beauty in the most unexpected places. Thank you for watching. See you next time.